Magical Story Time.
Today, we have a beautiful story about three best friends, Rashmi, Riya, and Sia, who embark on a journey of trust, teamwork, and courage. Join us as they learn a valuable lesson about friendship that will touch your heart. In a small village, three best friends, Rashmi, Riya, and Sia, studied together in the same school. They had different approaches to studying, but shared an unbreakable bond of friendship. One day, the school librarian announced that an old and precious book about the village's history was missing from the library. The book was important for the students, and the entire school was in panic. Rashmi, Riya, and Sia decided to take matters into their own hands and find the book. Riya said, "Let's search the school first. Maybe someone left it somewhere by mistake." The three girls searched every corner of the school, but found no sign of the book. Sia suggested, perhaps someone took the book without realizing its importance. "Let's check the CCTV footage in the library." Rashmi agreed, and they reviewed the footage. To their surprise, they saw a boy who often stayed by himself taking the book. Instead of blaming him, the girls decided to speak to him gently. Rashmi approached him and said kindly, "Why do you take the book?" The boy, scared and nervous, began to cry. He confessed that he took the book because he wanted to learn about the village's history, but was afraid of being scolded if he didn't handle it properly. Sia reassured him, saying, "You don't need to be scared of making mistakes. The important thing is to tell the truth." Riya added, "Come with us. Let's return the book to the librarian, and we'll help you read it." Together, the three girls and the boy returned the book and explained everything to the librarian. The librarian appreciated their honesty and teamwork and thanked them for solving the problem. Moral of the story: true friends are those who come together to solve problems in difficult times. Helping others and standing by the truth make us better individuals. If you enjoyed this magical story, don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more heartwarming tales. Like this video if you believe in the power of friendship, and feel free to comment below with your thoughts or your favorite part of the story. Stay tuned for more stories from Magical Story Time.